Guys, today I will talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you here. Go down, click in this sign here and just click on it. It's going to show for you a list like this here. You come here to create the filter right here deck. You just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here, and here add name here of filter deck, just add it here. So then you just click here on OK here, so then it's going to create with you here in this list like you see. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.